welcome to Hello Online School. Thank you for coming. Today we are navigating through weather. It is our theme this week. So today we are learning 7 English expressions about cold weather that is coming. It is autumn. Then British people are famous for loving to talk about the weather. So it is such an unpredictable climate in the UK that certainly gives people plenty to talk about. Winter or autumn is a great time to talk about the weather in English because we have lots of interesting English vocabulary to describe the weather. Here are, at Hello Online School, 7 interesting expressions to help you talk about the weather in English. Are you ready? Taking off. Number 1. It is as cold as. It is as cold as. So remember we use like in as for comparisons? Yes? Then what we get is a metaphoric effect that is called a simile. In English, we have lots of similes about how cold the weather is. The most common is as cold as ice. As cold as ice. Remember that. Number 2, freezing fog. Freezing fog. Fog is a thick mist that makes it difficult to see. That is fog in autumn or winter. It is very dangerous when it freezes, especially for the drivers. So you can walk into fog, but you cannot drive into fog. Fog only freezes when it touches the ground. So we say freezing fog. Number 3, black ice. Black ice. Ice is always white, isn't it? So, it is a type of ice that is very dangerous for drivers because black ice is completely transparent. It's not really black, it's just that the road are black. So, this type of ice is like a transparent layer that makes it very difficult to see on the ice. So make sure you drive slowly if there are warnings of black ice on the road. Ready for number 4? Yay! So number 4 is a blizzard. A blizzard. Pronunciation. A blizzard. This is a very serious snowstorm. So serious that sometimes it makes impossible to see. If this happened, we call it a white out. White out, everything is super white, right? So a blizzard is a super heavy snowstorm. And now we're going to number 5 on our top 7 list at Hello Online School, that is frost. Like Frosty the Iceman. Frost. English learners often confuse frost and snow. So, snow falls from the sky. But frost is water vapor that freezes on the ground, and it is usually at the outside of buildings, right? So frost, it is water vapor that freezes from the ground, and snow comes or falls from the sky. So now you know what frost is. Ready for number 6? To wrap up warm. To wrap up warm. When the weather is so cold outside, so you need to put layers and layers of clothes on if you want to go outside. We call this wrapping up warm. Wrapping up warm. Remember that. And finally, number 7 on our top 10 list today, it means to snuggle in, to snuggle in. Sometimes in cold weather, you just don't want to go outside at all. Then in that case, you make yourself warm and comfortable at home with a blanket and you snuggle in on your sofa or bed. How about where you live? Is there frost on the ground and you need to watch out for freezing fog? Do you prefer to wrap up warm or go outside in the cold weather, getting layers and layers of clothes? Let us know any comments after this video lesson today. Thank you for coming!